How to send money from Payoneer to JazzCash. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from your Payoneer account to your JazzCash account. First of all, just open your browser and here on the search bar, just search for JazzCash. Since I am not in Pakistan, so this app is not available for me. So I'm just going to take you through the process through which you can transfer your money from your Payoneer account to your JazzCash account. So in order to transfer money from your Payoneer to JazzCash, you need to link your Payoneer account to your JazzCash account. So for that, just open your JazzCash account mobile application, and here on the home screen, if you scroll down, you will see Payoneer's option. Just click on it, and after that it will ask you to enter your Payoneer account details. So for that, just open your Payoneer account, and here on the home screen under the balance section in USD, just click on these three dots right here and just click on receiving accounts. And once you click on receiving accounts, you will see your bank details like your routing number, your bank account number, and all the other details. Just copy all those credentials from your Payoneer account and just hit up to your JazzCash account and enter the same details here. So this is how you will be able to send money from your Payoneer account to your JazzCash account. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.